select a layout and head over to the Properties panel. Under Intent, select a layout intent. Your interface will adapt, presenting you with relevant settings for that intent. For instance, Print will set your unit to millimeters by default and provide you with bleed settings. Your layers will also display as a side panel. Lastly, you will have the option to add additional pages. Digital Static will set your unit to pixels by default, give you the option to select a fill color, and also display your layers as a side panel. Digital Animated will set your unit to pixels by default, give you the option to select a fill color, and provide you with an additional animations panel. It will also display your layers as a timeline. Selecting an object on either your design or the timeline will display animation options.